In this video we will discuss about the argument KWARGS that is declared as part of a function. It's mainly used when we don't know how many keyword arguments will be passed as arguments to the function. In such cases we need to use two asterisk symbol before the single parameter name in the function definition. The arguments passed to the function can be accessed according to the index numbers. The index of the argument starts from number 0. For example, in the below function the parameter is defined 2* followed by variable n. We are using the first and the second value of the argument passed to the function as parameter name with the key name in square brackets. In double quotes. In the function call we can pass any number of parameters. Currently 4 parameters are passed, but only 2 of them are used in the main function. Let's test how to use the keyword KWARGS as a function argument using a program. A function named test_KWARGS is created. As part of arguments 2* symbol is used with a variable named n. The variable name can be anything here. Print statement is added to print 2 key values as n1 and n2 which will be passed as an argument from the calling function. It is used as the variable name with the key value in double quotes and square brackets. We are going to use 2 key values as n1 and n2 which will be passed from the calling function. In the function call there are 2 arguments are passed. We can pass any number of arguments irrespective of how many of these are used in the main function. Key n1 has a value of 10. Key n2 has a value of 20. When executed, we can see that the correct values are getting replaced in the print statements. 10 is replaced at key n1 and 20 is replaced at key n2. What if we pass more than the used key value pair as part of the argument to the function? Passing 3 key value pairs. When executed, we can see that no error is thrown on passing extra arguments. It just uses the ones which are required in the function. Next, we will test by passing. We pass only one argument to the function. Only one argument is passed as key equals n1 and value equals 10. When executed, we can see that an error is thrown as keyer as the key n2 is not found. So, we need to pass at least those key arguments which are used in the main function to avoid such errors. So, this is how we can use the keyword KWARGS as a function argument when we don't know how many keys will be passed to the function.